रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
We are celebrating Mahatma Gandhiji's 151st birth anniversary 2020. Significance of day that celebrates one of the most striking leaders of the Indian independence struggle. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a small town in Gujarat. He studied law in UK and practiced law in South Africa. In his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth, Gandhiji described his childhood and teenage years, his marriage with Kasturba at the age of 30, and his sheer dedication for his motherland. He has set an example of simple living and high thinking. He was against the addictions like smoking, drinking, non-vegetarianism. Gandhiji incorporated a non-violent resistance, taking the forefront of India's freedom struggle movement against the colonial British rule. Gandhiji's relentless work fueled the UNGA's decision on 15 June 2007 to adopt a resolution to celebrate 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. The Satyagraha movement, Dandi March, Non-Cooperation movement were only some of the non-violent social crusades initiated by him. Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October? The most prominent leader of the Indian independence struggle. Popular for his non-violent movement, the purpose of this day is to honor the iconic leader. Famous Mahatma Gandhiji's quotes: "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." Non-violence is the greatest force at the disposal of mankind. It is mightier than the mightiest weapon of destruction devised by the iniquity of man. Nearly everything you do is of no importance, but is important that you do it. The spirit of democracy is not a mechanical thing to be adjusted by abolition of forms. It requires change of heart. I have nothing new to teach the world. Truth and non-violence are as old as the hills. All I have done is to try experiments in both on as vast a scale as I could. Those who say religion has nothing to do with politics do not know what religion is. Let us all be brave enough to die the death of martyr, but let no one lust for martyrdom. Fondly called Father of the Nation, it is a national holiday in the country and is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence across the world. This day is marked by prayer service and tributes all over India, including at Mahatma Gandhiji's Memorial Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was cremated.
रघुपति राघव राजा